Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are doing meal prep for a family of 6 for under $50. We are starting with this ground turkey pack that I got from Winco Foods for $10. Next, I was able to score this big old family pack of carne asada that was on sale for $15, but it was normally about $20. I wanted to do steak, but I found this asada, so I'm going to do it with asada instead. Also, I got 3 packs of frozen vegetables at $1.50 a pack, and then some jasmine rice that was $8. You can use whatever rice you'd like, and it would probably be cheaper, and then some peppers. First, we are going to start off doing all the vegetables. So here I am, putting the green beans in one pan of their own. I got more corn and green beans because a lot of my kids don't want to eat the green beans. They're more liable to eat the corn. So I did want to get some green beans though, because my 2 little ones and me and dad eat green beans. In this other pot, I am going to cook the corn simultaneously. So in the beginning, I'm going to do the easy part straight out of the gate, and that's going to be to cook all the frozen vegetables first. So then, of course, we are going to season the vegetables. I am just using coarse sea salt as well as butter. Next, I'm going to put both of these on the stove on like medium low and get them going. While the vegetables are being made, I am now going to bake the steak. So I am baking this steak. I am not frying it or anything like that. Right now, I'm just putting the foil on all the pans because why do dishes after? That's why I have this big old food service foil from Costco. So I am now going to clean the steak and put each of them into the pans that I just foiled. Next, we are going to season the steaks. Obviously, you can season them to your own liking and tasting. Since I am cooking for a family of 6, I'm seasoning them kind of differently. The kids' steaks, I just kind of put salt and pepper on. But for the adult steaks, I like to use some type of steak seasoning, or sometimes I'll use garlic and pepper seasoning. Here, I got the Kinder steak seasoning. That's one of my favorite steak seasonings ever. If you haven't tried it, here it is, as well as that garlic and pepper. Now I am going to put the seasoned steaks into the oven and we're going to let them cook. Let's check back in on the vegetables. They are doing really good. This literally only takes less than 10 minutes. The vegetables are about to be done right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put them away as they are done by the time I got done with all that. Now we are going to make the rice. So here I am with my jasmine rice. Obviously, you can manipulate the rice however you want. You can use instant rice if you like. To make this completely easier, you could just buy white rice, even if you wanted to, from the Chinese store, whatever. But I choose to make my own white rice, jasmine rice. I put butter and salt. Next, we are going to make the ground turkey. Now that we have the vegetables done and on the sides, the steaks are still doing good in the oven. We've got our rice starting. I'm seasoning my turkey. The rice is coming to a boil. Things are looking up. Steaks are looking pretty good. Things are going great. Actually, the steak is done. So now the steak is done, I'm going to put these away and put the others in because I had 4 pans of steak, you guys. We're still waiting for that turkey to cook in the meantime while those other 2 steaks are being made. While I have the other 2 steak pans that are already made done, I waited for them to cool off a little bit, and then I am going to start cutting them into strips. I like to cut the fat off for me and the kids, and I also like to cut them in strips because we like our steak well done, and it's obviously a bit tough, and it's just easier for the kids to eat in strips. So I am just going to pre-cut everything. Now that I've washed the cutting board, after that I'm going to cut these peppers. We are just going to roast these peppers, and this is going to go with rice and ground turkey. So I'm just cutting them taking the seeds out and cutting them in like third or fourths, and then we're going to put them just like this in a pan with extra virgin olive oil, and we are going to roast these last after those steaks are done. I have one steak finishing up, so I put the roasted peppers in next to it. Let's proceed to continue cutting all the steak that is done. Chop, chop, chop. And then for the little ones, we are cutting the steak even smaller. I cut them in like little tiny squares for Kobe, which is my 2-year-old, and I also have a 4-year-old. I like to cut them up this tiny too because the steak is pretty tough, but they love it. After that turkey is done, guys, everything is done, so it's now time to start assembling them. I know who likes what, so this is all organized by mom, dad, and then it goes down from oldest to youngest, so each person likes different things. So some, as you can see here, have green beans and corn. Those are all for Kobe, those first 4. The next 4 is for Cash. Cash doesn't like green beans that much, but sometimes we eat them, so he has 1 plate of green beans. Next is the bigger boys. They swear they don't eat green beans at all, so they have no green beans, just straight corn, steak, and ground turkey. And then next we have Dad's. The roasted peppers we're still cooking, so you don't see the roasted peppers there with the ground turkey, but those are his steak plates. And then there's 2 for me, and as you can see right there, I didn't have 2 other Tupperware bins, so I didn't finish making the 2 meals for me, but everybody else has 4 complete meals, as you can see here from beginning to end. Next, I'm going to go ahead and close everything up, put all the lids on them, and I am going to label them because, like I said, different people, different kids have different portions and they have different food on their plate. So I went ahead and labeled everybody's plates. And here we are, 4 pre-packaged dinner meals for all 4 kids and Dad, and 2 for Mom. So this is dinner knocked out for the next 4 days, you guys, for a family of 6 for under $50. Put everything in the fridge, and I am good to go for the next 4 days of my work week. Thanks for watching.